Good morning, children. All of you, please open your English conversation book. All of you, please open your English conversation book. Today we will study the new chapter, that is Know Me. Mujhko jano. Know me means, children, mujhko jano. Now please, children, all of you put your finger. Some dress vocabulary. Some dress vocabulary. What is the meaning of some dress vocabulary, children? You wear different types of dresses, isn't it so? You wear different types of dresses, but you don't know the name of that dress. Now how you speak to your mother? You speak to your mother, मम्मी वो हमको पिंक वाला ड्रेस पहनना है, मम्मी वो हमको येलो वाला ड्रेस पहनना है. Why you say this way? You should know the name of the particular dress. Now in this chapter you will come to know all the dresses which you wear and you come to school, that is your school dress. So here are the lists of some school dress given in your book on page number 8. Learn it, children. Got it? All of you put your finger and learn and read after me. Shirt, trousers, necktie, socks, shoes, belt, gloves, scarf, cap, handkerchief, jacket, blazer, pullover, cardigan. All these dresses, children, all these dresses, they are your school dress which you wear and come to school every day. Some dress vocabulary means, children, वेश भूषा का शब्दकोश. Got it? School dress, school वेश भूषा का शब्दकोश. Okay? Now shirt, you all know what is the meaning of shirt. Shirt means kameez which you wear. You can see the picture how it is drawn. And this shirt who wears, children? Boys and girls both wear and they come to school. Okay? Trousers. Trousers, children, means full pant. So this trouser who wears, children? Boys wear. Often we see that boys wearing this trousers. Okay? Necktie. What is the meaning of necktie, children? You come to school with your tie, that is necktie. Socks. You also know what is the meaning of socks. Socks means moja. Where do you wear socks, children? Where do you wear socks? In your feet you wear your socks. Shoes also where you wear. In your feet you wear your shoes. Okay? Got it? Now belt. Both boys and girls, they wear belt. Girls wear belt to tighten their skirt and boys wear belt to tighten their trousers. Okay? Gloves. We often wear, children, gloves during winter season. Okay? To keep our palms warm. Scarf. This scarf is what, children? It is a type of muffler you can see. We wear around the neck or we sometimes cover our ears. Cap, you all know, topi, cap, many of them daily use, many of them daily use cap. How, ma'am? There is a scorching sun. So when you are going to home, then what do you wear to cover your head? You wear a cap. Handkerchief, you know handkerchief. It is necessary to keep handkerchief in your pocket because if we sneeze, अगर हम लोग छींकते हैं तो what do? We take out our handkerchief and then we sneeze. If we want to wipe our hands, then how we will wipe? We will wipe with handkerchief. Okay? Jacket. Children, jacket you all don't wear and come to school. it is your home dress. Jacket, you all know what is the meaning of jacket, you must have seen. Blazer, you all know that you wear blazer and you come to school, blazer you know. Pullover means children the inner which you wear inside, जो इनर जिसको आप लोग इनर कहते हैं, जो आप लोग बनियाइन के ऊपर पहनते हैं, इनर, that is pullover. Cardigan, now children, in earlier when there was no blazer, जब blazer नहीं था, तो what were the girls wearing? They were wearing cardigans. Got it? It is a type of sweater. You must have seen cardigans. Button is in front of the in front, and you can see in the picture how the cardigan looks. Okay, so when there was no blazer, then girls were wearing this cardigan. Got it? Now come to question number 1. What is your school uniform? My school uniform is sky blue shirt, grey trousers, grey socks and black shoes. Now children, I am asking you, what is your school uniform? Then children, do you remember what is your school uniform? Your school, how you will answer? You will answer, my school uniform is pink shirt. I hope you remember your school uniform. Pink shirt, blue trousers, grey socks and black shoes. Okay, this was your dress. Do you wear a school tie? Do you wear a school tie, children? Yes, you wear a school tie. So what you will answer? Yes, I wear a school tie. Now children, turn to page number 9. Do you wear a school belt? Yes, I wear a school belt. Children, you all wear a school belt. Which is the color of your school blazer coat? Now children, which is your school, what is the color of your school blazer coat? The color of my school blazer is navy blue. But children, what is the color of your school blazer? Then how you will answer? You will answer, the color of my school blazer is grey. Okay? Does your school give you an iCard? What you will answer? Yes, we get it in the month of April every year. Now children, when do you get your iCard, identity card? When do you get? In the month of April. So how will you reply? Yes, we get it in the month of April every year. Why in April, children? Because in the month of April your session starts. You have a new class in the month of April. So when you come to new class, then you are offered with an ID card, new ID card. Okay? Which game do you like the most? I like cricket. So children, you can ask your friend this way answer, which game you like, which is your favorite cartoon, which is your favorite actor. So children, in conversation, what do we come to know? We come to know how to speak correctly. Okay? So go through these questions and learn. Don't learn children, but try to practice it. Okay? Now come learn these sentences. Class yesterday, class today, class tomorrow. Now children, in these 3 paragraphs, it is being told that what you did yesterday, कौन सा काम आप लोग कल किए थे, कौन सा आज कर रहे हैं और कौन सा कल करेंगे. So children, first we will discuss about class yesterday. That means कल क्या क्या हुआ था. I did not go to school yesterday. We went to the computer lab yesterday. My friend went to Delhi yesterday. My tutor did not come yesterday. My teacher taught us painting yesterday. Now children, in these 5 lines, 2 or 3 students, they are having conversation among each other. So one student is telling that I did not go to school yesterday. Another is telling we went to the computer lab yesterday. Another is telling, my friend went to Delhi yesterday. Fourth one is telling, my tutor did not come yesterday. Fifth one is telling, my teacher taught us painting yesterday. All these children, when these events are happening yesterday, बीता हुआ कल, yesterday means बीता हुआ कल, all these are happening yesterday. Now come children, we will come to know what the student is doing today. We have a maths test today. That means one student is having maths test today. My friend is on leave today. That means the student who is writing this sentence, his friend is absent. The headmaster came to our school today. Headmaster means children. Sorry children, the headmaster came to our class today. Here headmaster means principal. The principal came to our class today. I have lots of homework today. Now children, when you have lots of homework, then what do you say to your friend? I have lots of homework today. I am going early today. That means children, if you are not feeling well or if you have to go somewhere, then children, what do? You will say to your friend that I am going early today. Okay? Now children, come class tomorrow. What one is doing tomorrow? It is written here. We have an English test tomorrow. We will have a notebook inspection tomorrow. My mother is going to meet my maths teacher tomorrow. We had a spelling test yesterday. Now a new English teacher will be our class teacher. Now children, all in this 4 lines it is telling that what are the work which is going to happen tomorrow. Okay. So in these 5 lines what you came to know? That English test tomorrow, there will be English test tomorrow. There will be checking of the books and copies tomorrow. Inspection means checking of any particular thing. Even your teachers check your books and copies. So it is written there. We have a notebook inspection tomorrow. My mother is going to meet my maths class teacher. If your mother has any problem related to study, then what she tells? She tells that okay, I will talk to your class teacher. That means this work she is going to do tomorrow. So children, I hope you must have understood this chapter. You go through this chapter children and learn all your school dress vocabulary. This is your school dress vocabulary and you learn it. Okay children? Okay children, have a good day now. Bye-bye.